students, welcome to all 12th standard accountancy. In this video we are going to discuss unit 6, retirement and death of the partner, illustration 16. So Mani, Rama and Devan are partners in the firm, sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 4:3:3. So their balance sheet is on 31st March 2019 is as follows. So liability side, capital is given, money amount 50,000, Rama 50,000, Devan 50,000, creditors 20,000, profit and loss account 30,000, assets building 80,000, stock 20,000, furniture 70,000 and debtors 20,000, cash in hand 10,000. Money retired from the partnership firm on 31st/3/2019 subject to the following adjustment. First one, stock to be depreciated by 5,000, provision for doubtful debts to be created for ₹1,000, building to be appreciated by 16,000. The final amount due to money is not paid immediately. So prepare the revaluation account and the capital account of the partnership after retirement. So first we are going to prepare revaluation account. Revaluation account. So debit side, particulars, amount, credit side, particulars, amount, okay. So first adjustment, stock to be depreciated by 5,000. Stock to be depreciated by, depreciated means loss. So asset value is decreased. So we have to write on the debit side to stock account. To stock account 5,000. Then next, provision for doubtful debts is to be created 1,000. So doubtful debts loss. So loss increase. So we have to write on the debit side provision for doubtful debts. Provision for doubtful debts 1,000. Then building to be appreciated by 16,000. So building asset. So asset value increase means revaluation profit. So we have to write on the credit side by building account 16,000. Next, the final amount due to money is not paid immediately. So this one is come to the capital account. So finish revaluation account. So which side is more? Credit side is more. So credit side is 16,000. 16,000 minus 6,000, 10,000. So revaluation profit. To revaluation profit. Revaluation profit transfer to all the partners. So all the partners, money's capital. So transfer to the money's capital account. Then next one, Rama's capital account. Rama's capital account. Next, Devan's capital. Devan's capital account. So 10,000 we have to share the ratio. Ratio is given 4:3:3. So 10,000 into 4/10. 10,000 into 3/10. 10,000 into 3/10. For money, 10,000 into 4/10. For Rama, 10,000 into 3/10. And Devan's 10,000 into 3/10. So we have to simplify this. So 4,000, 3,000, 3,000. So for money's capital amount, revaluation profit transfer to money's capital. So 4,000, 3,000 for Rama and Devan. under Devan. So come to the credit side, particulars. Money, Rama under Devan. Particulars. So first we have to write the old partner's capital amount. Come to the credit side. So by balance brought down. By balance brought down. Money amount is 50,000. Rama amount 50,000. And Devan amount also 50,000. Okay. So next we have to write revaluation profit. So by revaluation profit, revaluation profit 4,000, 3,000, 3,000. Next we have to check whether in balance sheet have general reserve and profit and loss account, workman compensation fund and a general reserve. If it is have, we have to share to the partners capital. Partners, all the partners, we have to transfer all the partners. So we have to check. So profit and loss account have the liability side 30,000. So the profit and loss amount, liability side means profit 30,000. So we have to write on the credit side of capital account. So by profit and loss account, so the amount 30,000. The amount 30,000 transferred to the all the partners. So ratio 4:3:3. So 4/10, 3/10, 3/10. 30,000 into 4/10 and 30,000 into 3/10. So we have to simplify this. So 12,000, 9,000 and 9,000. 12,000, 9,000 and 9,000. Next we have to write, come to the debit side. So no more item here. So we have to add the credit side. So credit side 50,000 plus 4,000 plus 12,000, 66,000. Then 50,000 plus 3,000 plus 9,000, 62,000. Same amount 62,000. So bring it to the debit side. 66,000, 62,000 and 62,000. So continuing partners Rama and Devan. So we have to write remaining balance, 2 balance C by D, 2 balance C by D. So money is retained from the partnership form. Money is retained from the partnership form. The final amount due to money is not paid immediately. So we have to pay the partners are paid to the later. So later means we have to mention here loan account. Partners, retaining partners loan account. So retaining partner name money. So we have to write here money's loan account. Money's loan account 66,000. 2 money's loan account 66,000. So capital account, come to the credit side. We have to write all the partners capital. By balance brought down 50,000, 50,000, 50,000. Then revaluation profit 4,000, 3,000, 3,000. Then profit and loss account. So we have to check in the balance sheet profit and loss account, workman compensation have workman compensation fund, then profit and loss and goodwill. So all the items appear in the balance sheet. So we have to transfer the amount. We have to share the amount to the partners capital. So in this sum only we have profit and loss on the liability side. So liability side means profit. So we have to write on the credit side. Profit and loss amount 30,000. So 30,000 will share to the partners ratio 4 is to 3 is to 3. So 12,000, 9,000, 9,000. So debit side no more no items. So we have to add the credit side. So credit side total for money 66,000, Rama 62,000 and Devan 62,000. So bring it to the debit side, 66,000 and 62,000 and 62,000. So continuing partners we have to less the amount. So to balance CYD 60,000 and 60,000. Then retaining partner name is money. So money's amount is not paid immediately. So we have to write here money's loan account. So the loan amount will transfer to the liability side. So money's loan account 66,000. So I hope you all understand this revaluation account and capital account. Thank you.